In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download TikTok video without watermark. First, I open TikTok, then select a video. Example purpose. If I select this video, now click on share icon, now click on copy link, then going on Google, then here I type TikTok video downloader. So here are the lots of websites. So I open number one, then paste my link on, then click on download. After few seconds it will be going to my destination. So wow, you can see already going on here. So here are without watermarks. So just click here, then first option full HD mode. So you can see it's already wow, it's maybe 3 seconds left, 2 seconds, 1 second. Wow, my video are done. So if I going on my gallery, then you can see it's already download. Here are no watermark. So if I watch full video, so I skip this video for copyright. So this is a method how you can download video from TikTok without watermark. If you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like subscribe the channel so you can take care. Goodbye.